Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 6.4 question number 3. Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. Let us find the square root of decimal numbers. That is, number 1 is 2.56. 2. The first one is 2.56. To find the square root of 2.56. 2.56. Right? Let us find the square root of 2.56. 2.56. From the decimal point, put the bars here. This is one bar, and after this point, we have to take on the right side. Right? Now, divide it by 1. That is 1 on the 1, 1 on the 1. And if you subtract this one, that is 2 minus 1. You subtract this one, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. After that, point is here, right? Then give the point here. Give the point here. After that, you 5, 6 will come down. 5, 6 will come down. Right? And now, double the quotient. That is 2 1 2. 2 1 2. Here you see, in unit place it is 6. That means it will be either, the unit place is 6. That means it will be either 4. You have to multiply with 4 or 6. Let us first try for 4. That is 24 with 4. That is 4 4 is 16. Carry 1. It is 6. 48 plus 1 is 96. No. That means you have to multiply with 6. Right? That is 26 with 6. 6 is a 36. 6 is a 36. And 6 is a 12 plus 3 is 15. 156. Therefore, it will be 6. Put the here 6, and we also put here 6. That is 156. And the remainder you find here is 0. 0. Therefore, the square root of 2.56 is equal to 1.6, and that is the answer. That is 1.6, 1.6, and that is the answer. Now, we'll solve question number 2. Right? We'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is 7.29. To find the square root of 7.29, the root over of 7.29, 7.29. First write the number 7.29. Give the bars, this bar and this bar, right? This is 7. That means you have to divide it by 2. That means you are getting 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. The point is there. Give the point here, right? And 2 9 will come down. 2 9 will come down. Now double the quotient. That is 2 to the 4. It is 4. Now the units digit is 3. Therefore, it will be multiplied either with 3 or multiplied either with 3 or 7. Because 7 is 49 and 3 is 9. Let us first try for 3. That is 43 with 3. 43 with 3. That is 3 is 9 and 3 4 is 12. If you are not getting this one, then find the multiply with 7. 47 with 7. That is 7 is 49. 7 is 49. Here it is 4. It is 9. 4 is 28. 28 plus 4, 32. That's 329. Therefore, it will be 7. Here you put 7. Here also you put 7. And you will get 329. And if you subtract this one, you will get the remainder as 0. Therefore, the square root of 7.29 is 2.7. And that is the answer. And that is the answer. Then you solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is, question number 3 is 5184. Question number 3. Question number 3, you have to find the square root of 5184. Square root of 5184, 5184. Now 5184, 5184, 51.84. First of all, find the bars. Here is the 51. This will be one bar, and here there will be another bar, right? Now find 51 is there. That means you have to divide 51.84. First of all, you divide it by 7 because 7 7 is 49. 7 7 is 49. 7 7 is 49. 4 is 9. Then subtract it. 9 10 11 2. Carry 1 4 plus 1 5 0. 2. The point is there. Give the point. And 84 will come down. 84. That is 284. And double the quotient. That is 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14. 1. It is 4. Right? And the last unit digits is 4. Therefore, it will be multiplied either with 2 or 8. Because 8 is 64. Right? First, we'll try for 2. That is 142 with 2. 142 with 2. That is 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. 22. 284. Therefore, it will be 2. 142 with 2. And the value is 284. 284. And the remainder comes to 0. The remainder comes to 0. Therefore, the square root of 5184 is 7.2. Right? Therefore, the answer is 7.2. Answer is 7.2. 7.2. And that is the answer. 7.2. And that is the answer. This is question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is question number 4. Here you see is question number 4. Question number 4 is 42.25. 42.25. You have to find the square root of 42.25. Square root of 42.25. First write the number 42.25. Find the bars, right? This is the decimal part. Here, from point here you give 1 bar, here you give 1 bar, right? After that, you divide it by, first you divide it by 6. That is 6 is 36. That is 6. 6 is 36. 6 is 36. 36. And subtract it. If you subtract it, you will get 6. This point here, give the point here. Then 2 5 will come down. 2 5 will come down. 2 5 will come down. 2 5. Now double the quotient. The 6 6 to the 12. 1 2. The unit digit is 5. That means you have to multiply with 5. That is 125 with 5. That is 5 5 is 25. 2. It is 5. 5 to the 10 plus 2 is 12. Carry 1. It is 2. And 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 625. Therefore, it will be 125. It will be 5. 6.5. And the answer is 625. 625. If you subtract, you will get the remainder as 0. Therefore, the square root of 4.25, 42.25 is 6.5. Therefore, it will be 6.5, and that is the answer. 6.5. That is 6.5. 6.5, and that is the answer. You will solve question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is question number 5 is 31.36. Find the square root of 31.36. Here you see 31.36. First give the bars, this bar and this bar, right? Now first divided by 31. That means you have to divide it by 5 first. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. 25. 31 minus 25, that is 6. Point is given, that will give the point, and 3 6 will come down, 3 6, and double this number 5, that is 5 to the 10. Now the unit place is 6, that means it will be either multiplied by, there is 6, it will either multiplied by 4 or 6, because 4 4 is 16 and 6 is 36. First we will try for 4, 104 with 4. 4 4 is 16 and 4 1 is 4. We're not getting this one, that we will multiply with 6, 106 with 6, that is 6 is 36, and 6 1 is 6, 6 and 33, 36, 636, therefore it will multiply with 6, is also 6, and it is 636, and we subtract this, the remainder will come as 0. Therefore the square root of 31.36 is equal to 5.6, and that is the answer. 5.6, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.